Hello, you. How are you today? I sure hope I chose a good bag for this week. It's a nearly 2-pound grab bag that I got from Goodwill, and it's labeled Paparazzi jewelry. Now I can see labels, paparazzi labels, and cards inside here. But let's hope there's some other good stuff too. If you watched my last set of videos where every single piece was a branded designer piece, I definitely want to see more of that. So this bag was only $16, so fingers crossed. Let me quickly thank all of my current subscribers and ask that you also subscribe so that you never miss a treasure hunt with me. I appreciate your support. Okay, let's get to hunting and see what we find. I'm seeing a lot of blue, a lot of turquoise. Oh, geez. Right off the bat, I'm missing an earring. Oh, you know how that gets me. I hate when I only find one earring. Yeesh. Let's hope it's buried in there somewhere. Oh, these are pretty. Let me focus in on that for you. Look at that. Looks like little flowers up above. And then those faux pearls are very pretty. I like it. Okay, we're doing good except for the one earring. We're doing great. I can't really tell what these are. Let's open this up. Where's the little... There it is. Okay. Get in here. I couldn't tell if those were butterflies or some kind of wire. Just wire. Yeah, butterflies. Sweet as can be. Sometimes you just want a fun earring. Or even necklace. You know, you just want something fun. Ooh, those are pretty. Arg. Now we're missing some of the beads. See these 3 beads there, and there. They're supposed to be the little pink ones. Oof. Those look like they're there. Oh, I do like the sparkly blue. And this one. Okay. Nice little earrings. I love the sets. Give me an earring and necklace set any day. Oof, that's a little bit of a mess. We might have to come back to that one. I don't want to hold you up with trying to undo chains. Although I have heard that some people really like that. It's like satisfying when we get it all untangled. I guess I could put that in there. I usually give it maybe, I don't know, 10, 15 seconds. What's this say? Looks pretty. Ugh. Where's the opening? No. Again, I'm trying to look through the camera. And I don't always have the best view. I'd rather you have a better view than me. Up, flip it. There. Well, those are nice. Those stones look like kind of amber colored, and that says hard cash brass. Okay. Here's another set. So these look, the earrings are just chains, like 3 different chains coming down. Very simple, very pretty, elegant. Nice. I always like you to tell me though too if there's certain ones that you like more than others. It's nice to just have a chat about jewelry. Oh, that one's missed. Now we're missing the earring, and we're missing a piece of that earring, one of the little stones. Those are adorable. Sparkly. Paparazzi accessories. Nice long dangles. It's not hematite. Paparazzi do not use real stones, so it's always soaring shimmer purple. They're always going to be using faux, so it's faux pearl, faux any of the stones. But it looks very nice. Oh yeah, see, like these. These are not moonstones. They're replica moonstones. Very pretty though. Can't hardly tell, really, if you come right down to it. Oh, this is making me crazy. That's another earring. Those are, oh yeah. See, those are kind of moonstone too. Kind of tiger's eye looking almost. That is not turquoise. I'm sure you watched my turquoise videos where I'm like, this is fake. This is real. This is how you tell. Can you tell I'm getting a little aggravated? Okay, there's the other part of the earring. Now I've got to fix this. And it's missing the little ball. Hope we find that. But I do like the stones in that one. It's nice. Oof. That's a mess. Oh, okay. There's that other earring. Isn't it? Aren't both of these missing that same stone? Yeah, the bottom stone's missing. Okay, that's kind of strange. Looks like I can fix it, attach it to the post backing, but if the piece isn't there and I don't have it, I don't know what to put there. I have to see if I've got something. Oh, this is pretty. I do like those deep red stones. And it's adjustable. So it's kind of a bib necklace, kind of. And no marking on that one. Now, could that be paparazzi? If sure. Who knows? I like it better when they tell me. Again, my last videos where everything was a branded. Ugh, that was so wonderful. It's little stones. Pretty blue, right? I don't think that's marked. I thought I saw a little square hang tag, but no. Our little maker's mark tag. Nope. Okay. Ooh, another set. Another pair of earrings and necklace set. Oh my gosh. The earring's missing. It's broken. Take a breather, Marlo. Take a breather. Oh my goodness. I know you're probably nowhere near as upset as I am. I get so upset about that. I'm like, keep it together. Don't give me broken stuff. You know what this looks like? Looks like ginger snap. Looks like the bracelet for ginger snaps. Although this does look like it has some kind of mark in there. Or maybe not. Maybe that's just part of the stamping of the back. I don't know. I might look that up. But yeah, those ginger snaps where you get to swap it out. That's kind of interesting. The quality of those sometimes isn't as great. Some of them are really nice, and some of them they really, like any water you get on them or anything, it just starts tarnishing or turning or peeling. But some of them seem to last. So it's whichever one you choose. Here's another set. Hey, both earrings, great. And a little looks like a little lemon drop, doesn't it? And it's a drop for the for the necklace. Uh-huh. Another set. Oh no. Oh no. Let's jump ahead. Can I get one out? Those are just little disc earrings. Nice, cute little pink purpley kind of color. Lavender, maybe fuchsia. I don't know. Okay, there's the earrings. Good. Score 1. Then we got this little knotted up thing here. There we go. I knew I jumped ahead. You gotta jump ahead sometimes. I can't have you wasting your time looking at me doing that. Hey, there's that little ball, for that one earring that was missing. And then there's a piece, at least one, for that one earring that was missing the 3 at the bottom. Those little pink pearl looking things, looking beads. Oh, those are cute. I like that. I like that color. It's kind of a peachy color. Nice. Okay. Ooh. Let's do this one last thing. Yay! Don't we have the match? Wasn't that the very first piece that I picked up? Oof. Okay. I'm calming down. Everything's getting better. Now it's okay. Okay. I'm liking it so far. I especially like the sets of jewelry, the necklaces and earring sets. So I don't like keeping you too long. So we'll finish up next time. Thanks again to all my current subscribers. And please remember to like, comment, and share. And also remember, I enjoy hearing from you very much. So please comment, even if it's just to say hi. I post jewelry videos every Thursday and Sunday, so please join me. Hope to see you again soon. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye, you.